We're going to explain how to convert a DAT file to an Excel spreadsheet. This isn't a straightforward process because DAT is a generic file extension used for many different data formats. There's no single method that works for all DAT files. The approach depends entirely on what kind of data is actually inside the DAT file. We'll explore several common scenarios and the corresponding solutions. 1. Identify the DAT file type. Before attempting conversion, determine the DAT file's origin. Where did you get it? What program created it? This information is crucial. Knowing the source often reveals the file's format, e.g., a game save file, a database backup, a log file. Sometimes the file name itself might offer clues. A file named my.dat offers less information than gamesave01.dat. Using a text editor for simple text-based DAT files. If you suspect the DAT file contains simple text data, such as comma-separated values, CSV, or tab-separated values, TSV, open it with a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, or TextEdit, Mac. Examine the content. If it appears organized in a tabular structure, you might be in luck. Save the file with a .csv or .tsv extension. Excel can directly import these file types. 3. Using a specialized program. For more complex DAT files, you'll likely need specialized software. This often requires researching the file's origin. For example, if it's a game save file, a dedicated game editor or a community-created tool might be available. Some database software, like Access or MySQL, can also handle certain types of DAT files, particularly those used for database backups. Or, using a hex editor, advanced and risky. For truly obscure DAT files, a hex editor might be your only recourse. A hex editor shows the raw data in hexadecimal format. This allows extremely granular inspection, but requires advanced technical knowledge to interpret the data and isn't recommended for beginners, and can be risky if you're not careful. Incorrect manipulation can corrupt the file beyond repair. 5. Searching online. A web search using the file name and convert to Excel or DAT file format often produces helpful results. Online forums or communities might offer solutions specific to your type of DAT file. Remember to be cautious when downloading software from unfamiliar sources, sticking to reputable websites. Data extraction tools. Some tools are specifically designed to extract data from various file formats, including some DAT files. Research specialized data recovery or file conversion tools. These often have advanced options and might be helpful in tricky cases. In short, converting a DAT file to Excel involves identifying the file's origin and structure and employing the appropriate tool. A simple text editor for text-based DAT files, a specialized program for structured data, or potentially advanced techniques like hex editing as a last resort. Always back up the original DAT file before attempting any conversion, and proceed cautiously to avoid data loss. Remember to search online for solutions specific to your DAT